The verb haber is a very important verb in Spanish, but even though at this point you've learned quite a bit of Spanish, you may not have ever seen it before. That's because the verb haber is used in fairly complicated situations, and so it's not something that we see early on, but in the real world, haber is used very frequently. Haber means to have, but it means to have in the sense of to have done something. It does not mean to have in a possession sense. That would be tener, which you've learned already. So we don't use haber to say I have 3 brothers, or I have a pet dog, or anything like that. It's to talk about having done something. For instance, I have studied Spanish for a long time. I have always gotten good grades, those types of things. That's how we use haber, and that's the meaning of to have that we have in mind here. Haber is a very irregular verb. These are the present tense forms of haber. As you learn these, do remember, of course, that H is always silent in Spanish. So we have has, hemos, habéis, han. Notice that the only form with an accent mark is habéis, the vosotros form. Haber is used to form what are called the perfect tenses in Spanish. You'll learn more about the perfect tenses in another tutorial, but for now it is important just to remember that haber means to have in the sense of having done something, and that these very irregular forms are the present tense forms of haber.